Hello, fellas, and today we're going to be playing some War Thunder. I've never played War Thunder on this channel before, so I hope y'all like it, and let's get right into it. Here we go, buddy. Off we go to Stuging. We're gonna Stug the Stug. Almost we're on the Stug side. Holy shit, we're in the Rhine.
Hooray, hooray, hooray!
Right, chat. Start as BT5. I'm gonna be a BT5. That's a reminder, I'm a BT5. Let's go. Let's go. Stop shooting me. Stop shooting. Stop it. Stop it, please. Pull you? Sir, I'm not gay. Whoa! We need to defend this from the Stoogs. Holy shit! Holy shit! He's over there! He's over there! Fucking died. I'm so shit at ground battles. One would say I still get ground battles. Would say I They could be anywhere around here right now. Like right, Jet, you lead the way. There's one over there. No one touches my boy. No one touch. Oh, it's that guy that touched you. Oh shit. There's a guy to the left. He's right to the left of me. Isn't he? Oh shit. Return to the battlefield, my big boy. Oh. I see these vehicles. Where are they coming from? Churchill hate gang. Are you in the plane?
tree, cause I got this running me. Curly yellow dancing on me, she smell the green on me. She straight from California, freaky, yeah, she wanna. Tell me she like boys and girls, oh well, that's okay for me.
1984 last name is this. Saviris 13 or something, I don't know. I'm gonna be in a T50. I repeat, I'm gonna be in a T50. Yes. Oh yeah, we're on the American side. Where are they coming from? They're close. Oh, you died too already?
Huh?
Alright, we're deep in the battle.
Tell you about the time Keith tried to deep-fry turkey? Third-degree burns over 90% of his body. He died.
Yeah, you thought you could escape me, huh? Yeah! Oh no, you aren't. Right beside the campfire.
Allied forces have captured the zone.
Alright boys, attack the D point. Yep, we won. Let's go.
And let's see what rewards we got. Ooh, new decal. What the fuck is this bush doing in front of me? Am I dribbling a basketball? Okay. I thought I was about to just do a slam dunk right there. Wait for you? Nah, I think someone's over here. Someone is over here. Yeah, you think you're safe, buddy, huh? Oh, you're not Skibbity. Oh no. Yes. Be anywhere right now.
saw something on the map. I know I did. There he is. I know where he is now. No, he's the B point. There's a guy at the B point. Alright. Indeed, penetrating my butt. We are not on the American side. Oh, you disappeared from the map. Oh. It's a weird magic trick. Also, this guy just died in front of me. That makes me extremely worried. For my health and safety, I might just not. Oh, wait, we're on the stool side. Oh, is that a Sherman? Cool. Go. Oh, there's two of them. There's two of them. There's two. Oh! 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 Oh dear. Oh. So fucked. Chat. Na. We're completely fucked. We're completely fucked. They're all dead.
Hooray!
Hello, Hans. Thank you, Hans. That's a lot of good Shermans. Hopefully, I won't be added to the mix as a T-34. Like how lead gets into prime bottles. What is that? There's something behind me. And I know there is. Oh, he's dead. Never mind. No need to worry anymore. Ah! Let me through cave. Thank you. Run, Forrest, run! I'm dribbling the basketball again. I'm about to dunk on them again. Oh yeah. I'm about to dunk on them. Welcome to the Dinky Winky tank. The Dinky Winker, I shall say. It is very slow. It goes merely 11 miles per hour. I bet you could actually outrun this thing. It was chasing you. Oh dear. It seems I have died again. Oh goodness gracious, actually. This is my flaming corpse. Around the campfire we go.